We are going to the Dubai Mall, one of the largest mall in the world, and it turned out to be not what we quite expected.
In Dubai, shopping is a very big activity that you can do. So, welcome back to a brand new vlog of Bonkers. This is Utsav with my wife Urvi. Today is our first evening in Dubai and we'll go for shopping. Let's see how it turns out for us. If you like contents like this, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note. And let's get bonkers now in Dubai Mall.
There is this Skechers store that's one of our favorite shoe brand for both of us. We'll get inside and check and try and get some shoes from there.
First purchase of the day, I got myself a pair of Skechers shoe, and I really like those pairs, those new collections I thought, and they were pretty comfortable on the feet. Now let's go to the next store. You like this?
Yeah, kind of cool. There are so many shops in Dubai Mall that I am actually spoiled for choice. I am not settling in one. I am seeing so many shops. There are some high-end and some budget shops as well.
Yes, and I think the mall is separated into two sections.
Yeah,
Some they're calling Fashion Street, some
yeah.
they're
There
calling
is
Perfume
also a
Street, something like
traditional
that.
one like the souk kind of
Yeah.
as well. There are every kind of thing in this mall. And one more important tip, do wear a comfortable shoe, otherwise, you will be tired of walking. It's a very big
And
mall.
also book an entire day to explore the
Yeah,
mall if
it's
you are in
actually a
Dubai.
place to explore.
Right.
That's a cute bag. I am actually looking for a white shoe and also bags, or one bag or two. I want to gift a bag to my mom, that's why I'm looking for bags.
Can you believe it? Within the desert heat of Dubai, they have built an ice skating ring in Dubai Mall. Well, it's a nice departure, I'll say. I am liking anything that is seen in this mall and spending a lot. We spent some time in the filler store. We was looking for some disruptor. What we found out surprisingly that the price here is higher that we find in India. So we'll give this a pass for now. At the center of Dubai Mall, there is an island which gives you a touch screen that you can use to navigate to the shop that you want to go. Urvi wants to buy some makeup, so we are looking for the Sephora store. We are moving through the luxury shop section of the Dubai Mall.
Yeah, I can spot Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, Prada, there is everything. You name it, they have it.
They have a lot of options, and the collection here is also very good. But unfortunately, they are very expensive for us.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and search for the Sephora. I've got two things, foundation and retinol cream. There's a long queue for the checkout, just waiting for that. And along the way, there are so many small samples, just checking them out as well.
Urvi just got herself some makeup, and I also got some perfume for myself. Nice shopping. Now let's move to the next shop. We are looking for some apparels. So first we are targeting for Pull and Bear.
First, we'll go to Pull and Bear. That's a brand that's not available in India. That is why I'm quite excited to try that out. Let's go and check it
Yeah,
out.
and after that,
I have another in mind. I'll go to Bershka.
We are moving through the Dubai Mall. There are many shops, many brands here.
Yeah, there are so many shops that is very confusing.
There are food courts. There are a lot of clothing options.
Restaurants as well.
Yeah, and in between there are these islands where many people are asking us to test the perfume.
Yeah, there are lots of perfume shops actually. Very happy for our first luxury purchase. We both got ourselves a Coach belt. We'll show you when we get home.
Spending in Dubai has no limits. You can spend as much as you want.
We spent way more than anticipated and I have almost lost my voice. Let's go ahead and show you what we have got.
These are the Skechers sneakers that I got.
It's pretty comfortable, right?
Yes, it's pretty comfortable and I like this Go Walk Skechers.
So we got a couple of t-shirts.
These are made in Thailand. That's what I was looking for.
And this is the another one.
These are nice t-shirts.
Yeah. I got a bag. So this is the one. I got this from Aldo.
I really like this.
Yeah, the color is really good and I wanted a big bag. I got a shoe from Aldo as well while I was in the store. I like this pair a lot. These are the pair. I needed a white shoe, so that's why I got it. It looks really chic. Next, I have another bag. Actually, you get a lot of options in Dubai that you don't get in India. That is why I got the bags. This is kind of a sling bag. It's very good. The color is good. The material is also very nice. So this is the one.
Next we went for some gold shopping.
We got a pair of earrings. Obviously, we had to get some magnets.
These are the magnets that we got. That's the Dubai license plate magnet and the Burj Khalifa style magnet.
Yeah, these ones we bought from the Burj Khalifa shop.
Souvenir shop.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
is a souvenir shop inside. Next up, I went to Sahara and we got perfumes. First one in line.
First one we got a CK Beauty perfume, 290 AED.
Next, Utsav got this one.
Burberry Weekend.
This is a repurchase, right?
This is a repurchase. I already had this. I love the smell. That's why I got this one. This one costed us 310 AED.
Next one, I got this. I actually wanted to get this one. So this is the Gucci Blue perfume. I got the small size, but it smells really nice. It's floral, but not that strong floral. It's 350 AD. Next, I got a retinol serum. This is the Inky List one. It's very good actually. So it was the last piece that was there, so I picked it up. And the last thing that I've got is this foundation. This was actually viral on TikTok, that's why I picked it up. And I tried it in Sephora. It was really very good, looked good on the skin and it's a good match. It is the Kat Von D Good Apple Foundation. So this is the one. Packaging also looks really good and it was a nice one. And finally, we got ourselves these.
We got two belts from Coach. Each of them ran well over 1,000 dirham.
Yeah, we were actually not planning on buying this, but we liked it, so we got this.
I'm going to use.
Oh, okay. This is the belt that I got. It has the code C written here. It's a black belt, but this is what I use the most, and it's very nice quality.
These are really nice leather high-end finish. I really love this.
So I think that is it.
These are all the purchases that we did.
If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers, and we will definitely see you in the next one.